Hey yo guys, what's up? Today we are going to be replacing the Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor. Unfortunately, it has gone bad, as you guys probably saw in the videos, but we got the car jacked up, nice and safe, everything's good, and we're going to roll on this and replace the sensor. It's right there, hopefully it's not too hard. We got our 8mm and our adjustable wrench for a 22 millimeter. 22 millimeters is how much we need. Hopefully this isn't too difficult and we can easily get this done. All right, here we go. You're on the what side?
Left side.
Oh, we got sensor looking underneath the car, bro. Laying down, all safety good. It's already got anti-seize and everything. Holy Jesus. Okay, this is not fun. This is not fun. Boom, bam, chow. Easy peasy, right? As they say. Who's that guy? Whose legs are those? Whose legs are those?
Are they white?
They're fucking white, yes.
They're mine for sure.
Yep.
Get out of there.
Yep. Zing zing, and just like that.
Pull me out.
Pull me out, pull me out. And that sensor is out, old one. New sensor is in. Boom. Easy peasy, right? Just gotta put the 8mm back. Clear the codes, tighten these, and that's it. We're good. I'm on the floor. This is not fun. Boom, just like that. O2 sensor replaced. Double. Yeah, you wish. You wish. You wish. Y'all talking so much doo-doo. I want to see you get under there and do that. Yeah. O2 sensor replaced. Next is spark plugs. Let's go. Okay, let's drop the car down, clear all the codes, and then hopefully it's gonna be good now. Yeah, bro, y'all are haters.
Yo, put us in the video.
Yo, I'm gonna be famous soon. I'm joking. Maybe not. Alright, guys. Huh? Okay, you guys. That's it. We got the oxygen sensor replaced. Already did the scan really quick, because I was trying to get out of here as fast as possible because it's a Friday and we do not want to stay around after 6 p.m. Screw that. We gotta get home, have some food, relax. Well, we kind of ate a little bit, but still, you know what I mean. Everybody wants to get home. Absolutely wonderful sound. But yeah, we got the oxygen sensor replaced, so that's super important. It was actually much easier than I thought it was gonna be. I was literally like freaking out because I'm like, screw it, I'm gonna take it to somebody, let them replace it. And then funny thing is, I actually went to the dude, I like knock on the door, call, hello, we are closed from August 25th until September 5th. Thank you, bye. And I'm like, no, like, where am I gonna get the sensor replaced? And then I was like, oh my god, frantically, like from lunchtime I was panicking because I was like, okay, I gotta figure out some other place to replace it. And then I couldn't find anybody, so I was like, you know what, that's it. I promised myself that I would do repairs by myself from now on. No more mechanic shops, none of this stuff. Like, I'm tired of that, honestly. Like, there's so much stuff that I can do by myself, and today, again, I proved to myself that I can do it. As you saw, we jacked up the car, removed the covers, blah blah, unplugged the sensor, took it off, put the new one in, plugged it all in, boom, that's it. We just cleared all the codes, everything went away. Hopefully it's gonna be good. I'm pretty sure that was the problem because I was having issues with that like non-stop. So now I think we should be fine. Gotta just cycle the car a couple times and let the car register the new sensor, obviously, because it's still kind of popping a lot, but I think we should be fine. And yeah, that's it. Boom, we're done. Tomorrow we are gonna do an unboxing video. We got some tools, which I'm super excited for. I finally got some tools that I desperately need in order to do a lot of my own stuff, because I keep borrowing this, that, like ratchet, wrench, whatever, you name it, electrical, power, drill, whatever, whole bunch of stuff. It's like I got so many little tools to do all this stuff, but like that's it. We're getting our own tools. We're slowly gonna accumulate, and we're gonna start fixing our own stuff more and more and more and more. We're gonna get into more and more difficult stuff, because honestly, I'm tired of taking it to places. I'm tired of relying on people and shitty mechanics. And you know what? I'm starting to get more confident and more knowledgeable about my own skills. Like, there's so much stuff that I can do by myself. It's easy. It's just, you think that you can't do it, but in reality you can do it. It's easy. Just do it. Look up a video, get all the tools, get a list of stuff you need, prepare everything, have some food, have something to drink, be in a non-stress environment, go to the washroom, whatever you want to do, just to keep yourself like at zero stress, and just do it. Easy. That's exactly what we did. Boom. We didn't even need a lift. I was thinking, oh my God, I need to lift the car up and everything. Nope. Just had to jack it up. Easiest access in the world. Damn. This was a good, fun, happy, proud day. I am proud of myself. Let's keep it up. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Peace.